Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I'm installing my U-part unit from Unice. They went ahead and sent me the best body wave U-part unit I've had in a minute. It is super snug, the hair is super silky, the curls were a breeze. I loved working with this hair. Everything was perfect. It is in the length 22 inches and it just fits so good. I'm loving everything about this hair. Okay, everything. And if you would like to see how I installed it, how I did my braid pattern and all that jazz, just keep on watching. But before I do go, I'm going to let you guys know the links for this gorgeous unit is gonna be in the description box. Not only is it super good quality, it is really affordable, so definitely do not forget to go ahead and shop this unit. And yeah, let's jump into the tutorial so I could show you guys how I got my hair looking like this. now that I'm done, let's go ahead and unravel this hair. I like to go back in the first two just to curl them differently. So what I did was curl them like this, going backwards. So I would just put the curler upside down and curl it backwards. This time I'm still gonna curl backwards, but I'm just gonna use the curler differently. Then I'm gonna curl going backwards, but this time with the curler straight up. Okay, once you grab all the hair in it, still curling backwards, but the curler is no longer upside down but right side up. So I'm gonna just do that on both sides, and typically I do leave the curling iron on my hair, or like my actual hair, for about 15 seconds thereabout. So I've been talking for a couple of seconds, so I'm just gonna let this heat do its thing, and I'll unravel it in about the next 5 seconds. Okay, so now your curl is gonna look like that. So now that that's done, it's time to use an extra bit of spray. This is the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray, Medium Hold Hairspray in the number 13, and I'll just spray it all over my hair. So just like that, we have all this niceness, this volume, these bouncy curls, very fun, cute. So this wig is from Unice Hair. It is a U-part unit in 22 inches. This is what it looks like. I'm loving the curls. I'm loving everything about this hair, the fullness, the body, like it's perfect. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit or any other unit from Unice, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, as well as discount codes and all that jazz. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out. I love working with Unice. They always have such good quality hair. Like, this is just really nice. And some U-part units that I've encountered or have worked with, they're not typically flat in the back. She's flat. I'm not having like any bulges. Like, you could see she's flat in the back, like she's flat. So this wig fits really snug. So if you're looking for a U-part unit that fits really snug and it's good with just like cap size, this is perfect. So thank you so much to Unice for sending me this gorgeous wig. I love it so much. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.